guys, backflash tayo. Ayan guys, tin pala natin porta filter. Saka itong silicone na pang blind porta. Hindi siya umabot dun sa 16 bar na need natin. Kailangan na natin siyang gamitan ng chemical. Lagay tayo kapisa guys. Kailangan guys meron tayong interval na at least 30 seconds kapag nag-backflash tayo. Yung first backflash natin, hindi tayo naglagay any chemical. Bali, ginawa lang natin water lang siya.
Backflushing is a crucial step in maintaining your espresso machine. It helps remove old coffee oils, residue, and buildup that can affect the taste of your shots. If you don't backflush regularly, you might notice your espresso tasting bitter or uneven.